Most people think Pinterest is just for recipes, but Americans are making real money from it.
What if you could earn online without showing your face or making videos? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money with Pinterest, step by step.
Even if you're a complete beginner, this works in 2026.
Pinterest is not social media. It's a visual search engine, like Google.
People come here ready to click, shop, and buy.
Over 80% of Pinterest users are from the United States.
That's why Pinterest traffic converts better than Instagram or Facebook.
Method 1 is affiliate marketing, the easiest way to start.
You promote other people's products and earn commission per sale. You don't need to create a product or handle customer support.
Popular affiliate platforms include Amazon, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. Create a pin like Best AI Tools for Small Businesses in 2026. When someone clicks and buys, you get paid. Method 2 is selling your own digital products. You can sell ebooks, PDFs, templates, or guides.
Create once, sell unlimited times.
Pinterest sends free traffic directly to your sales page.
This is the most powerful method, blogging with Pinterest.
You write helpful blog posts in profitable niches.
Most people think Pinterest is just for recipes, but Americans are making real money from it.
Pinterest brings traffic for months, even years.
This is real passive income.
First, create a Pinterest business account. Use Pinterest search to find US-based keywords. Always design vertical pins, 1000 by 1500 pixels. Write clear titles and SEO-friendly descriptions.
Post consistently, not randomly.
Pinterest is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Results usually show in 30 to 60 days. But once it works, it keeps working. Target buyers, not just viewers.
Pinterest rewards value and consistency.
If you want free traffic from the USA, Pinterest is a gold mine. Like this video and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Comment Pinterest if you want a full step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.